I don't want to.
Sorry.
So even when I rolled it, how you all doing? Welcome to another vlog. If you are seeing this face for the first time, my name is Amaka Mabunze, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the real MVP. So I just finished decorating a cake. I'm actually tired. If you leave me now, I to go and sleep because I think this is to 11 Nigerian time. So but I noticed that one of my pineapple is trying to go bad. If I don't juice it this night, it's going to get spoiled. So I'll be juicing it with ginger. Someone actually went to the market for me, so I think the way they carried it, so it was already squashed. So if I don't do it this night, it will actually go bad in this regime, in this economy. No, nothing shall be wasted. There shall be no waste. There shall be no waste. Yeah, so I'll be carrying you guys along. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. That's a way to encourage me. Yeah. Bye.